Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your deep conditioner last longer. You're going to need coconut oil, your favorite hair conditioner, jojoba oil, and your favorite deep conditioner. You're also going to need a spoon and a bowl to combine everything. So you're going to start off putting in your hair conditioner. I put in about 10 pumps at first, and then I went back in and added in 2 more. Now you're going to want to add in your coconut oil. I put in about a tablespoon of this. Next you're going to want to add in your jojoba oil. I put in a tablespoon of this as well. Next you're going to mix everything together until you get like a water-like consistency. Now you're going to add in your deep conditioner. I put in about a tablespoon of this at first, and then I added in the rest afterwards. So this is the consistency I wanted. It's like my normal deep conditioner. So this is it for me, guys. I will talk to you later. Please like, comment, and subscribe.